doing, Cayden?
Opening a new bike.
A what?
A bike.
How do you know it's a bike?
I can see on that side.
All I see is a house.
A house?
Building? I don't know. Be careful, I don't need you cutting yourself again.
I know. Ooh. Can you move? Sorry. Oh, it's strapped in.
That's hilarious. You undo the box and it's still all together. Wow, they sure pack these things pretty good.
I know, it's nice and clean too.
What do you expect it to be dirty?
Surprisingly, it has a chain guard.
Oh wow, that's the first one I've seen with a chain guard too.
Same. Well, as I said, it shows that they put work into it.
There's a lot of thought put into the packing and the build of this, obviously. I'm gonna have to speed you up. It's taking forever.
For this thing, do I take out this and put in the easy pull out? I'm still gonna take off this pen thing.